We do the string there for you. We do that. You like that? We do your hair.
Abby really,
My hair's
really
fine.
takes it seriously. Abby's, it's not really real.
My hair's good.
Abby just.
What about Thanksgiving? Can you can you put like little turkeys on the nail?
Let me tell you, we make the turkeys. We make that. We make that. We make a turkey. We make a gift wrap. We do the firework. We do that. All of it.
Do you cook turkeys?
No. No. It's done. We raise them. And then we bring them here. We give you. You eat.
We need to get
You
another
eat.
log here.
Huh. Karen?
You're not backing her up, dude.
Hell. You got fucking problems? Huh?
Is this your man?
You're supposed to back her up.
How come you got a black eye?
We want to know.
The
Punch
wax.
you in the eye.
You do the wax on the girl.
That's
And the
makeup.
first
She was trying to make
timers.
herself look
And you
like
whack.
I don't know.
And then wet you in the
Was it a
face.
bikini wax?
Somebody scary, I guess.
We do it first time. She'll be back. She'll be back.
Abby thinks this is really real.
We had a baby, and the baby we put in the wax part of the salon.
This is
We
not.
work.
I didn't.
Nobody's really getting their nails done. Abby,
What? You're not real?
No,
You're not real?
of course not.
What the fuck?
It's just my alias.
What is her name?
I don't have one.
Going to the jail.
And Jesse, maybe you could become a world famous comedian. You should put that on YouTube.
Jesse Swan.
I don't know about that.
YouTube is from the devil, Mom. No, it'd be like.
I really only just like to do it when I'm drunk.
We tried to video.
Well, maybe you could have a couple and go on YouTube.
Okay, that's only my child too.
Out
Wait.
your baby.
You're only 5 months pregnant.
Hold on.
Do the baby porn.
The baby's fine.
You
Just
never
have a couple
thought you'd
beers.
see it.
There'll be plenty of.
Do it.
I just hiding fighting for you.
This is the first time for everything.
She's not out. She doesn't have to.
Mom.
Gotta go German with that shit.
Okay, now it's the
I
time of the
fighting
party
for you.
where we
Not
all
gonna be
have to
popular
dance around the fire
Because
like
of
Indians.
Hitler.
No, like pagan druids.
Now is the time
We
of
have
the
to
party
dance
where
around
we
the
have
fire?
to dance around the fire.
What if there was grass here?
We're gonna be pagans now, Mom. But Ruthie only has one move. It's the Ruthie pagan shimmy.
No, it's a Ruthie shimmy, the standard shimmy. Where
standard
she sticks
shimmy.
her boobs out. That's the Ruthie shimmy.
But you gotta have a beer in one hand.
She always
Like this.
sticks her boobs out and she's like,
I remember that.
Ruthie, you
Stop
can't
that.
videotape me doing that though.
I already did.
Because I will steal your soul. Because I'm deaf.
Oh, oh, don't catch on fire.
You're not on fire.
You say crazy, I say woman on fire.
Make sure you stop, dropping.
Remember that when we played that and that was so much fun? Because we were all so shit-faced drunk that it didn't even make any sense.
My legs were bruised the next day.
What were you playing? We were playing the slap.
You say idiot. I say Eddie.
You
Eddie, idiot.
to say anything that relates with the topic.
Happens.
Well, that
It happens.
That
Well, like he was like directly across from me,
Dude,
so
she
I was
totally
like,
looked at
looking.
you. I say,
I know. I was like,
say,
I can't say Todd. I have to say.
fuck you.
And then you have to go.
You could have said me.
You have to go like this.
I say, fuck you. Don't look at me.
You
You
say run into the glass door.
I say burn in hell.
Say burn in hell. I say mom. You say mom. I say mother goose.
Mom, it's your turn.
Oh, it's my turn?
Yes.
Okay, now what do I say now? You
Anything
say,
that
I
relates.
You say mother, I say mother
Wait a minute, I
after
don't understand. How does it
Anything
go?
that relates with the. You say burn in hell. I say.
Okay, you say burning.
And not burn in hell. She said mother. She said burn in hell. She said mother.
Spirit. And then
You say mother.
I say mother.
You say mother. I
I
say.
say mom. You say chocolate fudge.
That doesn't.
We're done with shitting in the bag.
I always just go with chocolate chip That's what I used to do. I don't know why they
I
remember good
say
things.
shit my pants.
They remember bad things. Chocolate chip.
You've never made us chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah, you are awful, mother. I hate you.
I say I'm getting the hell out of here.
Get the hell out of here, bag. You have a key, shit bag.
No, you have to slap, slap, clap. Slap, slap, clap, and then
That was on the good feet.
he's been on this house. Jesse does.
Slap, slap, clap, like whatever they last said.
I say this sucks.
She said chocolate chip.
Mom, you can't say chocolate chip cookies. You can say cinnamon raisin bread.
She can say whatever she wants. It's her fun.
I'll take a glass of water from our water. I think it's on the table in there.